Hey, hey, wild ones. All right, so let's check out my mobile greenhouse. My greenhouse got destroyed last year, this past winter, by the snowplow, and so I've been kind of winging it this spring by using a mobile greenhouse setup where I move the plants around to protect them or get them to maximize sun. So if it's cold out, I can cover them up or bring them inside. If it's sunny, I move them to the sunny spots. I make it work. All right, so over in here, bunch of tomatoes and peppers, very lovely. Down here's the recovery section for plants that really got beat up by slugs. We've got some Asian greens and lettuces that were scatter seeded into trays, and they're doing great. And then let me show you something really cool. Oh, look, it's baby cucumbers just getting ready to pop up. Space Master, Soyu Long, and Japanese climbing cucumbers. Oh, look, there's a whole bunch of them over there. Market's going to be really fun soon. So anyways, yeah, use what you've got. Beer cups, trays, mushroom containers. Grow with what you've got. Make it work. That's what wild urban gardeners do. Take care of each other out there. It's going to get spicy. Bye now.